RailPro is a South African company located in Olifantsfontein in Johannesburg. We make road rail vehicles. We take conventional chassis and we add a rail sub-assembly that allows the vehicle to run on road and rail.
With the SAB Foundation grant, we propose to turn this bus into a rail bus for transporting people in rural areas as a means of cheap and convenient transport. South Africa has the world's 14th largest rail network of over 20,000 kilometres. 11,000 kilometres is electrified, and that's deemed primary line that carries over 85% of the freight in South Africa. The remaining 9,000 kilometres is deemed branch line. It's that branch line that is underutilised and could take more traffic, coupled with new technologies, especially telematics and geopositional technologies. Our rail bus will serve rural people, taking rural people to local towns where they can buy provisions required to sustain them, and also connects labourers with work, women and children with healthcare and education. It will be a truly revolutionary and affordable form of transport.
RailPro's technology is 100% South African, designed by South African rail engineers. We take conventional 8-ton chassis and build the sub-assemblies onto the chassis that allow the truck to drive on the rail as they do on the road. We have a totally local supply chain, with the exception of the chassis cabs that are manufactured by Isuzu out of Japan. Our vehicles are up to 87% locally produced. RailPro designs its own technology. RailPro has had the technology patented globally. The technology is unlike any other technology that exists for vehicles of this kind. We have no additional engines. We simply have a transfer box that redirects power from the rubber wheels to the rail wheels. It's super efficient and allows us to get up to 6 kilometers per litre of diesel, which is twice that you would get on road. RailPro already has a fleet of about 40 vehicles serving Transnet in a maintenance capacity. The rail bus will be developed and will then run on some branch line close to Pretoria in order for us to carry out a bankable feasibility study. That study will give us two things. First of all, it will identify our standard operating procedures, how those passengers ride on the rail bus. Secondly, it will allow us to determine what the price point is, how much those clients are prepared to pay to ride the rail bus. RailPro is the only manufacturer of these road rail vehicles in Africa. The technology was designed by South Africans for South Africa. We believe our rail bus that travels on road and rail has the power to transform branch lines into highways of hope for tens of thousands of South Africans.